Hey guys, this video is here's how to build my mech. I don't have it built right now, so let's just get straight to it, So first, get your bag of goop, if you have it already. If you don't, just get your goop, okay? We don't need that. Man, that was cool. Alright, next, get a box. Come on. And get yourself a mini backpack. And then you're gonna get yourself one piece of goop. And stick it right here on the front of the backpack. And you're gonna try to put it. I did it. Get in the box. I just want to be part of this. Oh. And you can put it on your back. Put that down for a little bit. Now you can just like walk inside. Now it's no. Oh, it's right there. Next, you're gonna get a bat and a Hulk fist. Get your goop and then put it on the end of the bat. And then get your Hulk fist. Put it right there. You've made yourself a part of an arm. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. So now we have a part of an arm. It's gonna be this arm. So on this arm, there's gonna be RPGs. So get yourself an RPG and a piece of goop. Put that goop right there. Here. Oh, I got the arm on my hip. Here. Another goop. Hold on. And then get another RPG. And stick this to right here. There we go. And stick the RPG right there. Boom. Now you got one of the hands, but we're still not done with it. Because you need one goop and RPG ammo. I don't know if this actually totally works yet, but I'm just trying. Stick an RPG ammo right there. Get another RPG ammo. Goop. Stick the goop right there. RPG ammo right there. So now we have ourselves an arm. Oh, an arm. How cool is that? Oh, shoot. Here. Oh. Boom. Okay. Now we got ourselves an arm. Yeah, whole loading thing isn't like finished yet, but yeah, like you have to drop it and then load it and then, you know, all that. So the reloading mechanism, sadly, not with us. Meh. But we still have the RPG mechanism. Yay! Okay. Now we are gonna make the second arm. So like the first arm, grab a goop and a baseball bat. Stick the goop right there. And then get a Hulk fist and stick it right there. You made yourself one arm. Then now we are going to get two pickaxes. And then stick right there. Stick right there. Stick right there. And stick right there. Boom. Okay, now two more goop, and then a grappler. More goop. Stick right there. And get grappler. Boom. You made second arm. Now, now I'm just boom. That's cool, right? Yeah. So I hope you had fun watching. Bye, guys.